Hello and welcome to my financial analysis with Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'll be talking about my financial analysis with Microsoft Excel course. And if you're interested in this course, my phone number as well as my email address, you will see it at the end of this video. So stay with me in this video. So this is my financial analysis with Microsoft Excel course. Let's get started. Problem 1. These are some of the case studies I covered. Please note that there are more than these. I covered about 20 problems you can solve with Microsoft Excel in an organization. Problem 1. Suppose an employee in a company walks up to you, the payroll accountant, or the human resource manager, concerning his retirement savings plan. Now, he is interested in knowing how much money he will have after saving a specific amount of money, let's say $500 per month over a number of years, say 20 years, at an interest rate of 5%. You are required to determine his retirement savings fund after a period of 20 years. 2. Suppose he decides to change his retirement year and interest rate to create a table showing different scenarios using Microsoft Excel. If you are given this situation, if you happen to be in this situation, can you use Excel to solve it? That is the more reason why you need to pay for my training. Problem 2. As a data analyst, investment analyst, accountant, or financial analyst, do you know that choosing the right chart can actually help you to better communicate your findings to the management and other end users for proper insight? It can also help them to take data-driven decisions in order to achieve their set objective. In one of my video tutorials, I will be guiding you on the appropriate chart to use for proper visualization. What we are saying is that as a data analyst, investment analyst, accountant, or financial analyst, your ability to choose the right chart will actually help you to tell the story better. Okay, so a lot of people will just, when they want to visualize data, they just use any chart. Where you are supposed to use pie chart, you don't use an histogram. When you are supposed to use an histogram, you don't use a bar chart. When you are supposed to use a bar chart, you don't use a column chart. If you subscribe and pay for my training, I'm going to tell you when to use which chart so that you can better communicate your findings to the relevant stakeholders. Problem 3. Emmanuel, your boss comes to you and say, Emmanuel, we are having a problem. Customers are complaining that they are not getting notified about their debt balances on time. Also, the account receivable departments are finding it difficult to track customers' debt. Required, create an Excel file for a better customer relationship management. How can you manage customers' relationship using Microsoft Excel? If you subscribe and pay for my training, I'm going to show you how to do that. I actually covered 4 case studies where you can actually use Excel to manage customer relationship better. Problem 4. Emmanuel, we are having a problem. Our customers are complaining that they are not getting notified about their electrical bill balances on time. Hence, their supply of electricity are being cut off at a very short notice. From our investigation, it was revealed that the bills are not properly computed, processed, and sent to them on time. Required, create an Excel file to salvage these ugly situations for us. Now, if you are working in if you happen to find yourself in the power industry, can you use your Microsoft Excel to address a given problem like this? This is why you need to subscribe for my training. This is not just a regular Excel training where the tutor will just come and teach you Excel formulas. No, this one I actually showed you how you can solve real life situations using Microsoft Excel. The next thing, problem 5. Can you apply your Excel skills to the banking industry? If no, then you need to register for this training. This is because in 3 of my videos, I will be revealing to you how to apply your Excel skills to the banking sector. Have you ever wondered how you can create some stuffs on Excel? Can you prepare a bank statement on Excel? Can you track customers' balances on Excel? If you pay for this training, I will show you how you can apply your Excel skill to the banking industry. Problem 6. Emmanuel, we are having a problem. The board of directors just informed us that they will be sending out some of our Excel files to our stakeholders in South Africa. However, we wouldn't want them to have access to some of our Excel documents as they contain sensitive information. Required, Can you help us to secure our Excel file to prevent unauthorized access to some of our classified information? Now, we all know that information in this age is very important, and there's need for you as an organization or as an individual to make sure you secure your information. For example, now many of us now, if I take your Android phone, I will discover that there is a password on it. Every organization wants, one way or the other, they want to secure their information. If you are faced in this kind of situation, can you use your Excel skill to secure an Excel file? If no, then you need to subscribe for this training. Thank you. The next one, in summary, this is the summary now. In this financial analysis with Microsoft Excel course, I provided solution to all these scenarios and even much more. Now, this is just a tip of an iceberg of what I covered in the course. Like I said, I solved almost like 32 case studies and even more on it. I even went further to show us how to apply Microsoft Excel to academic institutions. The truth of the matter is that your value in the business world lies in knowing how to apply your Excel skills to solve real life scenarios, and not just mere mastering of all the formulas and features in Microsoft Excel without knowing when and how to apply them. What I'm saying here is that, see, it's not just about you knowing Excel. You can use sum function, you can use count functions, you can use average. That is not all about Excel. It's not about knowing all the functions in Excel. It's not about knowing all the formulas, all the features in Excel. Can you use your Excel skill to address real life situation? Can you use your Excel skill to automate tasks? Can you apply your Excel skill to any industry you find yourself? Some people will say, I may not find myself in the power industry. That is the electrical industry of the case study I covered. I may not find myself in the banking industry. I may not find myself in, the academic institution. But the truth of the matter is that in this life, you don't know where you can find yourself. You can find yourself in a tech company tomorrow. Can you apply your Excel skill to solve a given problem? This is a question I leave to us as a food for thought. Okay? Conclusion. Tell me why you wouldn't want to register for the financial analysis masterclass. Do not let money or time stop you from smashing your goals and landing yourself that dream job. I will see you in class. For inquiries, please contact us on, this is my number, I'm in Nigeria, 0816 939 4017. So +234 16 939 4017. And this is my email, omabugoemmanuel@gmail.com. My name is Omabugo Emmanuel. I'm a data analyst, a Microsoft Excel expert, and an accountant. So if you want to tap from my wealth of experience, I encourage you to subscribe and pay for this my training. And if you have been following my YouTube videos, you discover that my YouTube videos are awesome. Now think of it this way: if I can give you so much value for free on my YouTube channel, imagine what I will give you if you subscribe and pay for this training. So don't let time, don't let money, don't let anything stop you from paying for this training. It is worth, the training is worth the price I attached to it, and even more, because when you get that dream job, the money you spend, the money you will be receiving would not be compared to the money you actually spent to acquire all this knowledge. So I'll see you in class. Once again, this is my number, 0816939417, and this is my email address, omabugoemmanuel@gmail.com. My name is Omabugo Emmanuel. I'm a data analyst, a Microsoft Excel expert, and an accountant, and I base in Lagos. Thank you and God bless you. I'll see you in class, or I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.